Welcome. Today, we'll learn a useful word you hear every day in English conversations. When someone is doing something, we call it taking an activity or making something happen. At home, you see this all the time. Someone cleans, cooks, or fixes things. They're doing something useful. In school, students raise their hands, write notes, and answer questions. These are all examples of doing something. At the office, people work on computers, attend meetings, and solve problems. They're making things happen. When you shop, you choose items, ask questions, and pay at the counter. You are doing what's needed. While traveling, you check tickets, board buses, and move from place to place. You are making progress. Families do things together. They play games, help each other, and share meals. They're doing activities as a team. Friends laugh, walk, and share stories. They're doing things that bring them closer. At work, teams plan projects, discuss ideas, and make decisions. They're doing what needs to be done. Here's the key idea. Thinking is important, but doing is what makes things happen. Listen to this. I will take care of this problem. Good idea. Notice how we talk about doing something. Another example. What should I do? Try your best. We are talking about steps to take. You'll hear phrases like take steps, in motion, and make a plan. These are common in daily talk. Look at this picture. What do you see happening? Try describing it out loud. Here's a classroom. What are the students doing? Practice speaking about what you see. In this meeting room, what's happening? Use your own words to describe it. At the store, what do you notice? Try making a sentence about shopping. Look at this travel scene. What steps are people taking? Describe it in simple English. This family is preparing a meal. What are they doing together? Practice speaking about it. These friends are enjoying time together. What do friends do? Try describing it. Coworkers are working on a project. How would you describe what's happening at work? First, you plan. Then, you do something. Finally, you see results. This is how things work. Every day, you do many things. At home, at work, with friends. Doing things is part of life. Let's practice. What will you do? I will clean my room. Try saying this conversation. Another one. We need to do something now. I will send the email. Practice this exchange. Here's a simple plan. First, make a list. Next, do each step. Finally, check your progress. Let's review. Doing something means making things happen. Use this idea when you speak English every day. Now it's your turn. Think of one thing you will do today. Say it out loud. Practice makes perfect. Remember these tips. Listen for this word in conversations. Practice speaking with examples. Use it in your daily life. Thank you for learning with us today. Keep practicing your spoken English. You are doing great.